You know that moment when you delete the chat on WhatsApp and thinking, yeah, I don't need this anymore. And then 5 minutes later, you are like, wait, I actually needed that. But here is the good news, you can still recover your WhatsApp chats even if you didn't take a backup. And trust me, most people lose their chats permanently because they make one small mistake. So don't skip anything and let's get started. First rule, and this is very important, if your chats are deleted, do not uninstall WhatsApp. That's the biggest mistake people make. Because the moment you uninstall WhatsApp, your local data gets deleted permanently. So just relax and follow this step by step. Here is something most people don't know. Even if your chats are deleted inside WhatsApp, they are still stored somewhere in your phone. WhatsApp keeps collecting data like chats, photos, videos. All of this is stored inside your phone's file manager. So let's open your file manager or files app. Go to Android, then go to media, then look for the folder com.whatsapp or web4b in case of WhatsApp business account. This folder contains all your WhatsApp data since day 1. Now press and hold this com.whatsapp.w4b folder. Now click on copy to. Now copy to your internal storage so you can easily find it later. This step is your safety net. If you skip this, you risk losing everything. Now once the folder is safely copied, go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp. Hold tap your WhatsApp icon. Now look for the I symbol and tap on it. I'll take you to the app info page. Tap on uninstall. Now at this point, it doesn't matter if you choose to keep the app data because we already copied it. So just tap on OK. Then go to Play Store and install it again. Wait for installation to complete. Now open the WhatsApp. Then click on Agree and Continue. And before going any further, we need to paste our copied data back to our folder. Now go back to your file manager, copy that folder again. Now go to Android, then Media and paste it back there. Now let's check our copied backup data and here is the catch. Sometimes the folder doesn't overwrite. If they even has the same name, they add a numbering in the end and we don't want that. Delete the new folder and rename our backup folder. Now go back to the WhatsApp login process. Enter your phone number and verify it. Now here is the magical part. You will see a pop-up, Restore Backup, and notice something important. This backup is from Google Drive. If you have enabled it already, but according to the backup frequency, you set it might be old. But it doesn't matter, we already copied our latest backup folder. That means your deleted chats are coming back from your device itself. Now at the end, I'll show you how you can automate your backups daily so you don't have to go through this trouble again. Now just wait. Depending on your data size, it may take some time. But once it's done, your chats, photos and conversation will be back. Even the messages you deleted earlier, they will reappear like nothing ever happened. Now here is how you can enable a Google Drive backup that update daily. Go to Settings. Then go to Chats. Now tap on Chat Backup. Tap on Backup to back up the latest data to the connected Google account. You can also add your backup account by selecting Add Account. Now select Automatic Backups to Daily. You can also include video data to backup and also use cellular data to backup without waiting for a Wi-Fi connection. And done. That's the easy version. But again, if you didn't have backup and you uninstall WhatsApp first, then yes, the game is over. So always copy the folder first. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.